I'm Serica Louise Anderson, the owner of the Vertitude Dance Studio in Woodland Hills, California. The Vertitude is my studio in Los Angeles. We have a lot of things going on there. Recently, we're doing a lot of competition training for amateur and professional competitors. There's a lot of dance and movement integrated into our curriculum. My dance and my theater background influence what I do in the pole world quite a bit. I love music. I love musicality. I love creating a story. I like creating a captivating character, and I love to help my performers here do the same. We practice a lot with stage presence and concept and story and character. Last year was a really big year for me. I placed first in the 2013 U.S. National Championship, so that was a very exciting time for me. And I was also awarded the 2013 IPDFA Choreographer of the Year while I was out in Singapore. So those were two really exciting things that happened in my career last year. The pole world is evolving and changing, as we speak. It's really turned into anything goes, which I absolutely love. Like, the pole is really the only thing that's really binding us all together style-wise is the fact that we're using a vertical pole apparatus. I'm really excited because this year the Vertitude is having their first summer pole camp. We're doing two different sessions. We're doing a session in June from June 6th to 16th and a session from August 8th to 18th. We actually have our most signups for the August camp. So if you're interested in signing up for the August camp, I suggest hopping on that right away. It's going to be quite an international crew here this summer. I'm really excited about the Complete Pole DVD series. I worked really hard in putting together content for that box set. I highly suggest it. And as an added bonus, if you do come to the pole camp, you get a Complete Pole DVD box set in your goodie bag. So if you're looking to, train with me and Mary, and here at the Vertitude, and you're looking to buy the Complete Pole DVD, well, come to the camp and we'll take care of you. You can also purchase the DVD at CompletePole.com. The Vertitude has really become a home and a base for many of those competitors. We have so many different coaches and choreographers here to help the competitors out, as well as the competition team. So we have an incredible team here. We all work really, really well together, so you can kind of mix and match us and use us as you will. We're here to help. Bye. Thanks, UPA.